Is life insurance part of an estate plan? Hi, I'm OC estate plan lawyer Michael Pevney. You can reach me at ocestateplanlawyer.com to set up a free 30-minute estate plan consultation. Today I'm talking about whether or not life insurance is part of an estate plan. And the answer is yes, it certainly can be. It depends on a few things. Now, just as a quick disclaimer, I do not sell life insurance and I am not a life insurance expert, but life insurance can work hand in hand with the rest of your estate plan to make sure that all of your desires are covered in the event of your passing. So the first question to answer is, do you need life insurance? And the insurance industry asks, is there an insurable need? So you got to answer the question, are there people that depend on you and would lose income and would lose their current style of living if you passed? Now, if you're a wage earner or a small business owner and you need your income to live and you have people that depend on you, that means, yeah, you probably do need some sort of life insurance in place. The amount of life insurance depends. Sometimes you'll read that you need 8 times your current income, all the way up to maybe 15 times your current income. I like to think of it sometimes not in terms of income, but how much you spend every year. If you're interested in the financial independence community at all, they usually put that in spending. So maybe somewhere between 8 and 15 times the amount of money that you spend every year. And this doesn't only include people that earn an income or earn a wage. This can include stay-at-home parents, because what happens, obviously, we can't really put a price on a parent passing away, but how much is it going to cost to take care of those kids? A nanny, a maid, a cook, a babysitter. There's a lot of things that go into that, and so you might have to replace the money that it would cost to hire those people to help take care of your kids. So usually a stay-at-home parent is also going to need life insurance. So once you answer the question, yes, you do need life insurance, then the question is, who should be the beneficiary of that life insurance? A lot of times we think, well, the primary beneficiary should be my spouse that I leave behind, or the other parent of the child, and the secondary beneficiary should be the kids. But having the beneficiary be the kids when they're under 18 is not always the best idea. That means that it passes outside of your will and outside of your trust, and you lose a lot of control over that money. If your beneficiary is your kids of your life insurance, that means that those kids get that money when they turn 18. And oftentimes that is not a very good idea. Another way to do it is to create a revocable living trust and make the beneficiary of the life insurance the trust. That way, when you pass on, that money, the life insurance benefit, goes into the trust. And then all of the rules and all of your desires that you've put in writing into that trust applies to that life insurance benefit. So that means if you only want that insurance to be distributed at certain times, in the meantime, it can be used for their health, education, maintenance, and support, but you don't want large chunks of that money going to them until they reach certain milestones. Maybe that's a college degree, maybe that's when they hit certain ages, 25, 30, 40. That money can also be protected from potential people who might want to do bad things with that money. Possibly an abusive spouse, or maybe they're getting sued, or maybe they owe a lot to creditors. The way your trust is written, you can prevent that money from being distributed to them if they're in one of those situations. And that's how life insurance can be part of an estate plan if you need life insurance, if you have an insurable need, and if the beneficiaries of that life insurance are properly on that life insurance. Oftentimes, the beneficiary being your revocable living trust. If you have any questions about how life insurance can fit into an estate plan or estate planning in general, if you have little kids, feel free to contact me, ocestateplanlawyer.com. Once again, this is Michael Pevney. Thank you for watching.